Alright people, let's do this glue up. You don't need a crazy amount of glue. The more glue you use, the more cleanup you'll have to do. So don't go crazy with the glue. Put some in the cavities where the braces go. I missed those. So glue wise, that should be it, people. We have to work relatively fast. I'm gonna spread out the glue a bit, dab it around. And when I feel it's too much, I stop. I stay away from that edge. And just spreading the glue with the most expensive glue spreading device, like is it Robert O'Brien, famous luthier on YouTube videos and school, great guy. I think he mentioned it in his old videos once. So right now I'm gonna move the camera really fast, because I want you to see how I, don't mind the mess. I want you to see how I glue up. Come on. Right, let's do this glue up, people. The glue has got an open time of, I don't know, not too long. So this is the tricky bit. We have to get it positioned and try to hit it in one go. There we go. That's nice. Double checking everything is alright. Alright, now I'm lining up the line so we are respecting our center line, people. This is a fiber rod, very dangerous. So yeah, that's good. The other thing I like to do is give some strength downwards, basically pre-shaping it. Then I want to have a lot of strength, push down power on here. I'm using these little wooden spacers to protect the wood. And I want to do one here in the middle. And it popped into place like that. See, that's why it's dangerous. It's a very dangerous profession, being a guitar maker. There we go. I moved I had to move it a bit so the center lines are lining up. That's a very important part in guitar making. I like to line stuff up. So now I'm putting it's what is it, glass fiber, whatever, rods. You can do it with sticks of wood. This is called a GoBar deck. You can use all sorts of wood, long sticks that go through the ceiling, so you don't have to build the GoBar deck, but then you have to handle a lot of very long sticks. But whatever rocks your boat, I would say. So yeah, we're almost there. I'm putting the downward pressure on these reinforcements. Let's put one here. And one at the other side. I'm gonna come and inspect the other side. There is hardly any squeeze out to see, which is great, which is beautiful. So people, this is basically it. Let's do one more. Let's do a dangerous one over here. We have them, so let's use them. So yeah, people, that's it. This was the glue up of the back to the sides on the Hilko Guitars LD model, a full oak hollow body guitar. I hope you have a beautiful day and see you next time. Bye.